Are you tired of missing out on your favorite concerts, sports events, or shows because the tickets sell out in minutes? Finding the best way to get tickets on Ticketmaster can feel like a daunting challenge. Today, I'm here to guide you through proven strategies to secure those coveted tickets and ensure you'll never miss out again. Whether you're a seasoned Ticketmaster user or a first-timer, these tips will boost your chances of success and simplify the process. The first step to mastering Ticketmaster is understanding how the system works. Ticketmaster operates on a first-come, first-served basis, and many popular events sell out within seconds. But there's more to it than just being quick. Ticketmaster uses dynamic pricing, verified fan pre-sales, and queues to manage ticket distribution. Start by creating an account. Fill in all your details, including payment information, well before ticket sales begin. Having this step ready saves precious seconds during checkout, making sure to verify your email and phone number to access exclusive pre-sales, as Ticketmaster often works with artists and event organizers to reward dedicated fans. Familiarizing yourself with these nuances ensures you're well prepared on sale day. When it comes to securing tickets on Ticketmaster, preparation is your greatest ally, and setting up alerts and notifications is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to stay ahead of the curve. A missed on-sale date is often the difference between snagging tickets to your favorite event and watching them sell out in seconds. Fortunately though, Ticketmaster offers tools to ensure you're always in the know. So start by downloading the Ticketmaster app and creating an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, take full advantage of the favorites feature by following your preferred artists, teams, or venues. This action will allow Ticketmaster to curate notifications tailored to your interests. You'll receive updates on your tour announcements, pre-sale opportunities, and event reminders. Also, for added security, enable push notifications directly through the app and make sure your email preferences are set to receive updates. These alerts act as your personal assistant, delivering timely reminders about upcoming ticket sales, last-minute opportunities, or exclusive pre-sales. And even going a step further, sync these alerts with your calendar. Some apps allow you to set reminders for critical dates like ticket releases. This way, you won't just get a notification, you'll have time allocated to act on it. With these measures in place, you'll always be in the loop and ready to secure your spot at the next big event. Pre-sales are one of the best ways to get tickets on Ticketmaster. They give you early access to tickets before the general public. Pre-sales can come in many forms: fan club pre-sales, credit card member pre-sales, and Ticketmaster verified fan pre-sales. For fan club pre-sales, join the official fan club or mailing list of your favorite artist or team. Many fan club offers exclusive codes that grant early access to tickets. Credit card pre-sales often require you to use specific cards like an American Express to unlock tickets. And the verified fan program is a must for high demand events. It requires registration ahead of time, and Ticketmaster uses it to weed out bots and scalpers. So make sure to register as soon as the program opens. Once approved, you will receive a unique code that you can use to access the presale. The big day has arrived and your preparation is about to pay off. To maximize your chances of securing tickets, it's crucial to follow a systematic approach. Start by logging into your Ticketmaster account at least 30 minutes before the sale begins. This gives you time to double check your account details, such as saved payment information, and troubleshoot any potential login issues. A stable and reliable internet connection is your best friend on sale day. So if possible, connect your device to a wired internet source, as it tends to be faster and more reliable than Wi-Fi. Open the event page early and keep it ready in your browser. A few minutes before the sale starts, refresh the page to ensure you're synced with the live sale. However, once the tickets go live, avoid excessive refreshing as it could interfere with your queue placement. And once the sale starts, you'll likely enter a virtual queue. This part can feel nerve-wracking, but patience is key. Keep an eye on your estimated wait time and resist the urge to refresh the page or open multiple tabs, as this may cause you to lose your place in line. But once it's your turn, act quickly but calmly. Select your desired tickets without overthinking, as popular events can sell out in seconds. Your preparation and focus will make all the difference importance in securing those coveted tickets. Your device and browser setup can make or break your ticket buying experience as well. Use a reliable and fast browser like Google Chrome and clear your cache and cookies beforehand. These small steps can improve the website's performance and reduce any potential glitches. Also, if possible, use multiple devices or browsers to increase your chance. For instance, you can have the Ticketmaster app open on your phone while using a laptop or desktop simultaneously. This strategy ensures you're ready to grab tickets if one platform experiences delays. Ticketmaster offers a variety of tools that can significantly improve your ticket buying experience, making it easier and more efficient to secure seats for your favorite events. One of the most underrated yet powerful features is the Favorites tool. By marking your favorite artists, teams, or venues, you create a customized feed of events that interest you. This allows Ticketmaster to send updates directly to your account, eliminating the need to constantly check the website for announcements or changes. The Ticketmaster app is another essential resource for buyers. It's often more responsive and reliable than the desktop version. The app allows you to browse events, purchase tickets, and even enter the venue with mobile tickets. Additionally, the app frequently offers exclusive app-only promotions and pre-sale opportunities that can give you an edge over desktop users. So spend some time exploring its interface before sale day so you're fully prepared to navigate it quickly when the time comes. And for those of you looking for premium experiences, Ticketmaster Platinum and VIP packages provide an elevated ticket buying option. While these packages come with a higher price tag, they often include prime seating and exclusive perks like early entry, merchandise, or hospitality services. If your budget allows, these options can turn a regular outing into a memorable experience. So by leveraging all of these tools, you'll not only streamline the ticket buying process, but also increase your chances of securing the best seats possible. Missing out on the initial ticket sale can be disappointing, but it doesn't mean the opportunity is just gone. Ticketmaster's resale platform provides a secure and reliable option for purchasing tickets directly from other fans. Unlike third-party sites, Ticketmaster verifies the authenticity of all resale tickets, ensuring that what you buy is legitimate and valid for entry. This added layer of security can give you peace of mind when navigating the secondary market. Timing is absolutely everything when it comes to buying resale tickets. Initially, pricing may be inflated as sellers try to capitalize on high demand, especially for popular events. However, patience can work to your advantage. As the event date approaches, sellers often become more motivated to offload their tickets, leading to price drops. Regularly monitor the platform in the weeks and days leading up to the events to spot these deals and opportunities. Setting a budget is equally important. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and overspend, especially if the event is one you've been eagerly anticipating and just waiting for. So deciding on a maximum price you're willing to pay and stick to it. With persistence and smart decision making, buying pre-sale tickets and resale tickets can be a viable way to attend sold out events without breaking the bank. Even with a solid plan, securing tickets can be tricky, and it's easy to make mistakes that could cost you your whole chance. To stay ahead, it's essential to know and avoid common pitfalls that buyers may encounter. First and foremost, beware of any scams. One of the biggest mistakes people make is purchasing tickets from unverified sources or clicking on suspicious links claiming to offer discounted tickets. Scammers often create convincing fake websites or social media posts to lure buyers. To ensure your transaction is safe, always use Ticketmaster's official website or app. These platforms verify the legitimacy of the tickets and protect you from any fraud. Another common issue is over-reliance on autofill for payment information. While autofill can be a time saver, it isn't foolproof, especially during high traffic sales when glitches are more likely to occur. Instead, have your credit card ready and manually input the details if needed. This slight adjustment can prevent frustrating errors during checkout. Lastly, don't let indecision hold you back when selecting seats. For popular events, tickets can sell out in seconds. So if you see seats that fit your budget and preferences, grab them immediately. Spending too much time comparing options increases the risk of losing out entirely. So by staying vigilant and avoiding these common pitfalls, you'll streamline the ticket buying process and boost the chances of success. Persistence and flexibility are often the keys to success on Ticketmaster. If tickets sell out immediately, don't give up. Keep refreshing the page for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes tickets are released back into the pool as failed transactions occur. Flexibility also helps if your preferred section or price point isn't available. Consider other options. Expanding your search to nearby dates or venues can open up a bunch of different and new opportunities. Securing tickets on Ticketmaster doesn't have to be super stressful. By understanding the system, preparing in advance, and using the tools and strategies outlined here, you'll significantly improve your chances of success. The best way to get tickets on Ticketmaster is to stay informed, stay persistent, and approach the process with a clear plan. So whether you're dreaming of front row seats at a concert or cheering from the stands at a game, these tips will help you get there. So happy ticket hunting.